Hello, everyone, and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. For today, we'll go for our cross-asset list. So we'll cover coffee market, the WTI, US 100, US 30, USD yen, dollar Mexican peso, pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar index, Bitcoin dollar, gold market, aluminum, and cocoa. And of course, I will use our FX Centrum platform for charting. And let's begin with the coffee market. So what we had here last week was the breakout of the 20-day consolidation, as you can see here. We had a single day breakout, and then, which is pretty much normal, market is doing the consolidation around the upper Bollinger Band. We can see here that we have a rate of change flip to the upside, and still no quite a big. There is no like significant spread between the fast and slow line, so I see potential for the upside continuation. So the breakout model and the trade idea from last week is progressing pretty well. We can see here in the hourly time frame, market is just doing consolidation, so there is a potential from my perspective for a rally and upside continuation this week, and eventual retest of 260.40, and the remaining, let's say, position or so can be trailed on this 20-day moving average, or basically this middle Bollinger Band of this, since the Bollinger Band is here around the 20 moving average. So I will say the trailing function can be this 20 bar moving average, because market can go much higher since the breakout from last week. The WTI, we can see the consolidation. Market is trading between the 80.40 like support and resistance around 84.70. Still in the last 20 days, pretty much consolidation. Even though slow line and fast line are sloping to the downside, overall we have a consolidation. So I would like to see the breakout on either side. So upside breakout of resistance can eventually be a good sign for a rally towards 87.70, but the drop below 80.40 can be a good sign for the, let's say, this test of the 78 mark, or even 76.50 mark. On the Nasdaq, on the US 100, we can see that market had a rejection of the upper Bollinger Band, still in the upside cycle in the last couple of months. And we had a doji, or basically a pin bar tail at 20,559, which is short-term resistance. And then we have a swing high around 20,780. If we take a look at the hourly time frame, it's pretty much like sell-off, consolidation, rally, pullback. So market is now in the phase of building more like a sideways environment. And we have the rate of change flip to the downside, but from another side, we're in a strong upside cycle. So I will say I see more like a range development on the US 100 before any significant move. On the US 30, we can see that market did have a breakout of this 20-day consolidation. It's progressing relatively well, but it's sitting near the resistance at 40,100 mark. We had a doji candle and more like a pin bar tail from 2 trading days ago. That's quite a weakness that appeared for that day. And we can see here the market sold off and now it's trying to build higher. From my perspective, anything meaningful upside, only the market can hold and trade above 40,300. If not, there is a chance for a market to rotate over 39,925. And we have a USD Japanese yen, so there was quite a big sell-off that happened last week. And here we can see that we have developed support around 157.40, and that's a key short-term support for the yen. If the market can trade higher, let's say even eventually clear 158.50 and hold above, then there is a chance for a retest of the 159.40 and maybe even further rally. So let's see the daily time frame. We can see quite a big, basically the widest spread between the fast and slow line and stochastic. Something similar we had here, and then you see the market just tested and rejected of this lower Bollinger Band. Can we have something similar here? We will see, but so far, quite a big spread between the fast and slow line. So I see at least more consolidation and very likely some reaction rally based on this sell-off from last week. Maybe it retest 159.40 or 160 or so, but there is a definitely chance for a rally. The confirmation will be if the market can trade, let's say, above the 158.56. Dollar Mexican peso is interesting, and I think I will definitely cover this in separate trade idea today, so stay tuned, because very soon I will cover like this trade idea. So I will just say that there is a chance for the rally and we have a broken supply trend line, but I will speak more about that in a separate video. On the pound dollar, we can see that there was a natural pullback, and we have a consolidation, but on the daily time frame, we have basically a rate of change of flip to the downside. So we had a 3 up days from low to high. So this is quite a getting into the extended run, 3 up days in a row. But so far, I don't see any sign of weakness. If the market can trade below, I will say if market can clear and hold below 1.294, 945, there will be a chance for potential drop towards 1.2900, 1.2860. If not, then market can continue to trade higher. The next upside station is 1.3, 120, 115 mark. Euro dollar is pretty similar. So we had the 2 low to high days, so 2 up trade days, and we have a resistance around 1.0900. So this will be the critical pivot to observe. The rejection of this level can be a good sign for a drop towards 1.0800. Upside continuation, hold above the resistance, can bring us to the next pivot, which is 1.0979. Dollar index is just around the key support, swing low, 103.90. And we had a 2 down days, so let's take a look at the hourly time frame. There's some gap up this morning, so if this gap can hold, there is a chance for retest of 104.40, maybe even higher prices on the dollar index. If we can see the break and hold below 103.90, then there is a chance for a drop towards 103 mark on the dollar index. Now, Bitcoin is rallying here at this point, so it didn't have a power to resell, and market is just around the upper Bollinger Band. So we can see here, yes, we have this bull divergence of the stochastic, and it seems like this one is playing out, and 63,800, 64,000 seems like a key resistance short term. Let's take a look at the hourly time frame. You can see market is started to trade higher, and you can see hold and rising lows, but at this point is quite an extreme 2 standard deviations of the hourly time frame, and quite extended at this point. So I see potential for at least rotation, some rejection, or so intraday, it seems like pretty much extended at this point. Gold market, there was an upside movement right there, but there was no follow through, and we can see that sellers are trying to take control or buyers. So we have a key support, swing low at 2,390. If we can see and trade below that, there is a chance for a retest of the 2,370 or 2,355. Again, weekly time frame, we're still in this overall consolidation. So we didn't break 24.47, 24.50. So I will say pretty much everything is possible here in the gold market. Rotation and pullback towards the middle Bollinger Band is also in the play. Aluminium is just breaking this 24.61. There is a chance for a drop towards 23.04. And cocoa market, we can see that hourly is building higher lows. So there was this back up towards the middle Bollinger Band 9,000, which was our idea from last week. And the next upside pivot is set around 90, I would say 99.35. And that will be all for this FX Centrum daily market analysis. If you didn't visit our website, you can do that. So fxcentrum.com, and explore more about FXC TV, more about partnership with us, our promotion, 100% deposit bonus, and of course, you can open an account in just a couple of minutes and a couple of clicks, and you'll be able to enjoy our FX Centrum platform. That will be all for this FX Centrum daily market analysis. Stay tuned for a trade idea, and have a good trading.